Hello everyone and welcome to another painting tutorial. Today we will continue with the third part of the Arcadia Quest, the board game. We start using trash brown. Then we will highlight with dark flesh tone. The highlights on the skin will be done with cold grey. After that, we will use black to paint the fabric, the metallic part, and the hammer. We will highlight with Sorby Grey everything that painted with black a while ago. Every woolen part will be painted with khaki. Bone white will be used on the bone parts. Time for the eyes. We will begin with white and after that we will use hot orange. We will paint the pupils black. The eyes have some marks, so we will need to be a little patient and everything will work just fine. Using chainmail silver, we will highlight the metallic parts with the tip of the brush. We dry brush with Stonewall Grey and we will create the stone texture on the hammer. Finally, with Wool Grey and our airbrush, we will highlight the edges to create a more impressive result. And here he is, our hammer beastman is ready. We will proceed with our two pretty little lashes, the sisters of the pleasure. We start by painting the skin with dwarf skin and then we will highlight it with pale flesh. The magic effect that they have in their hand will be painted with warlord purple. To tell them apart, one will be painted with black and the other one with dark blue. Using a bit of white, we will paint a lock of hair and we will highlight the magic effect with squid pink. In the eyes, we will try to make just a little dot with blood red. And now with a little cold grey, we will highlight the dress and the hair. Time for washes. We will apply a light layer of flesh wash on the skin and the rest of the figure will be covered with black wash. And our twin sisters of pleasure are ready. Moving on to the other twin lashes, the sisters of pain. We will paint the skin with dwarf skin and the hair with desert yellow. The dress will be black. The metallic parts will be cautiously painted with chainmail silver. The part of the eyeball will be white as usual. This figure has bigger eyes, so we will need to be patient again to create bigger pupils. With cold grey, we will highlight mainly the lower part of the dress. Black wash for the dress and amber shade for the hair. Amber shade is ideal to make blondie hair impressive. On the skin, we will apply a thinned flesh wash. We will use a bit of black wash around the eyes with caution to make them more expressive. Finally, after some time has passed by and the figure has dried, we will apply sand yellow on the hair. And these figures are also ready. And that's all for today. Thank you all for watching. Consider to subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.